Those horrible white lines running through your pattern? Annoying, but it's a quick fix. And it's not your drawing that's the problem. 2 minutes and they're gone. Here's what's happening. We've all been there. I know I have. We've started to create our pattern. Now we need to move the canvas so we can continue to fill in our motifs. So we'll open up our layers panel. We'll make copies of our original layer. Now we want to select the top layer and we want to move it left so it snaps to the middle of the canvas. So we tap on our arrow tool. We make sure snapping and magnetics are turned on and we start to drag our layer to the left. But notice Procreate's having trouble to snap to the middle. And we maybe think we have it, so we deselect. Now we come back, we want to move the next layer to the right. So we tap on our arrow tool and we start dragging it to the left. And we're having issues. Procreate seems to want to snap to everything but the middle. And we still can't do it. Now we think we have it, so we deselect. But this tends to be inaccurate, and you often end up with those nasty white seams in your pattern. There is a much easier way, and not many people tell you this. All you need to do is hide all layers except the one you're moving. So let's redo this. Let's make copies of our original layer again. I want to move the top layer, so I'm going to hide all the other layers and select that layer. Now when I tap on my arrow tool and start moving the layer to the left, notice how much smoother and quickly it snaps into place. So we'll come back and we'll hide that layer. We'll make the next layer visible. And now when we move to the right, notice how smooth and quickly it snaps to the middle. And why does this happen? Because Procreate has difficulty in trying to decide on what to snap to. If you have many other layers visible, it can't decide exactly which layer to snap to or which drawing guide to snap to. So make life much easier for yourself and for Procreate. Only make visible the layer you want to move, and that will make your pattern making process much easier. And if you want to take the frustration out of creating a pattern, then watch this video and I'll show you how. Remember, have fun and don't sweat the pixels. I'll catch you on the next one.